This is something very new to me. This is my very first human hair lace front wig. Keep watching for this one though. If you do get this on your hair, it'll kind of hurt a little bit whenever you take it off, but you can definitely just use a little bit of baby shampoo to take it off and you should be fine. This is my first human hair wig and I am loving that I can style it any way that I want. I can use any heat on it. If I wanted to dye it, I probably could too, but I just love this color and the style is just absolutely perfect. And that's pretty much it. That's how I put on this wig. You know, like I said, if I want to do it, if I want to like put it off to the side, I can put it off to the side. And if you find it, like mine, whenever I wear it in one direction, it'll sit there for a little while. If that's the case, you can always grab your curling iron and then just kind of like press it on there and it'll help you like, you know, put it in place where you want it to put it in place. And that really is about it. So if I want to wear it to the side, I'll wear it to the side. You can even do a braid with this. I'll show you a real quick one right here where you just kind of grab a two-part and twist it, bring some hair in. That's really all that you need to do. Okay, so obviously I wouldn't put this right there, but just to kind of show you what it looks like, let's pin this. I'm like trying to turn everywhere so y'all can see it. Anyway. And that is that.